Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by turning the Developer tab on so you can access macros and controls. First, confirm you're using Excel 2010 or later or Office 365, then open File and choose Options. Once there, select Customize ribbon, find the main tabs list, and check Developer. Click OK and the tab appears on the ribbon. This step is quick but essential because without the Developer tab you can't insert ActiveX or form controls. Open the VBA editor or manage macro settings. Now you'll use the Developer tab to add interactivity and automation. Click Developer, then insert and choose either form controls for simple buttons or ActiveX for advanced behavior. Once inserted, toggle design mode to move and size controls, then open properties to set names, captions, and events. When you need code, click Visual Basic to create a module and write an event procedure. Make sure to assign macros to form controls. Doing so links the UI to your VBA logic and automates tasks. Finish by saving and validating your work so macros and controls remain functional. Save the file as an XLSM macro-enabled workbook, then test each control. Click buttons, run macros, and step through code in the VBA editor to confirm expected behavior. If the Developer tab still doesn't appear, make sure the ribbon group isn't collapsed and verify Excel isn't managed by a group policy that hides Developer. If it is, contact your administrator. One quick troubleshooting tip: reset Customize ribbon to defaults and recheck Developer to restore visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.